Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this. My name is Dan. This is Dan Tech channel, and today we are just going to talk about the expert option. Is it a expert option? Expert option. I don't know what we just pronounce it, but just expert option. So we just going to talk about it. Let's just learn how it works, how you can just register, how you can make money, how you can just trade on expert option. What is it? Because I just discussed about forex trading. He talks about binary trading, including the robot and all that. But today we are going to talk about expert option because I see some people asking questions about it. So many of you have seen expansion because it's a lot of things that are just dealing with. They have a lot of nonsense that are just running on YouTube. You have seen that. Let's just talk about it. Whether you can just make money, whether you can just make profit right over there. And we are starting right now. Now here is the site. This is how it just look like for the first time you try to log in over here. Now it just tell you that you try free demo, and I tell you that you just have to try at least this demo at least for 2 months. You'll just be given free 10,000 US dollars, and make sure that you raise at least that US dollar times 10, at least $100, and then you can just have confidence. And make sure at least don't do demo for so long. Just try to deposit some amount to the real amount to the real account, so that you can be able to control that emotion. Yeah, but this is how it just look like. I'm going to go through it in a few minutes, and then I just show you how you just do everything about over here. Okay, just very easy. Click log in. You can log in real account and also in a demo account. Let me just log in first of all, and I show you how it just look like for the first time. And guess what? The moment even you just be logging in for the first time, the moment you just log in for the first time, it just take you to the home page of this. This is where, of course, it just take you over here on the home page, and what you see on the home page is Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, you can select euro and or other by clicking where Bitcoin is and click other, including here. Okay, now you can see the price of Bitcoin over here is 26,640, and this is how people are buying. So about this platform is just a binary platform. Binary means buy means in the biology it means true, so it means you have two options, which is buying and selling. For example, let's say I put $100 right over here. This is how actually you do about it. You put the amount over here. This is where you check the price of the Bitcoin or any, and then you can just time and buy. For example, I buy here. You can see now if the market stays above that line until 1 minute is over, then I'll just be winning. If the market stays after 1 minute is over and down, then I'll just be losing my $100. But if it is still above that line, I'll be winning. That is $183, because that profit being 83. But if I lose, I'll lose everything. Okay, now it's just easy like that. Very easy on how to put a trend. This is a demo account. You can see my account and 10,000, but I raised it to $475, of course, in a few minutes, and it's just very easy. When you click sell, it means you want the market to move down right from where you have clicked. For example, if you click Apple sell, you can see now the trend has ended and it is staying below, so I lose that. Okay, now for example, you click sell Apple. If you click sell, it means that, for example, I click sell here, it means I want the market to stay down of that line until 1 minute is over. Okay, until 1 minute is over. Hata kibakia second moja, even when it is just remaining 1 second, and then you click and then it passes to the opposite side, you can see now I've won this. So it passes and goes against you, then that is done. Even if it was 1 second to that, then your money get lost. Okay, but it can even do the same. Ukiwa unafikiria, when you're maybe thinking that you are going to lose money, then you just win. You can do analysis right over here by moving average. This is just the analysis that you just do, because this is Bitcoin just like the other one in the other exchange platform. You can put your strategies over here to determine maybe where you are going to enter the market, because you cannot just be entering the market just like that and just howling. You can see there is also these lines over here that can just help you to put any analysis that you just want over here. So this is how you put them, and when I just press it over here, you see the line will just be here, and this is line. You can see it, this is line, and we have 25 AM EMA line right over here. So all this you just be using to do what we call technical analysis. Now this is was my demo account, this is my real account, and you can see my real account. When I just try to trade, it just tells me I have insufficient balance. And now how do you deposit money to this platform? You click deposit, and the moment you just click deposit right over here, it is very easy. You can see you can use FXPesa, Visa card, and also Netella and all that, including crypto. Minimum you can deposit is $10. You put $10, and then you proceed right over here. After you proceed right over here, it will take you where you have to put your mobile phone number, and then after putting your mobile phone number, then you can just, it will just send an automatic, what you will just be doing only if you are M-Pesa as money, it you just be only needed to put your password, that is your login password, and no a pin for the M-Pesa. It's just like that, easy like that, how to deposit money to this platform. The moment you just done that one, the money will come over here, and even to withdraw, it's the same thing. You just withdraw the same thing, and very easy. Okay, now that is only the basic on how you trade on this platform. You have known how to place a trend, how to deposit money, and how to place a trend on all that, and how to do analysis. That is the basic, and just increase or minimize that is maximize your profit in this platform. But one word for you as I end this video is that be careful, because this platform can make you rich overnight and can make you poor overnight. See you next time. Until next time, make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell. See you next time. Goodbye.